Hello, this is the Blonde Analyst, and today we'll be going over a problem for a sequence of events using conditional probability. So this states if the probability of A given B is equal to 0.5 plus probability of B given A and probability of A intersection B is equal to 0.1 and probability of A is equal to 0.5, find the probability of B. So the first thing that we have to note is what this even means. And writing down the definition usually helps me out. So probability of A given B is a probability of A intersection B over probability of B. So this states that this right here is equal to this right here. So we could equal that out and then put probability of AB over probability of B is equal to, and we'll just plug that in, 0.5 plus probability of B given A. Now, what could we do here? We have a few values, but let's actually try to simplify this right here before that, because we don't really know what this is. I'll put it over here. So probability of B given A is still the same thing of probability of either BA or AB, same intersection, doesn't matter, over probability of A. Now let's start plugging in. So probability of A intersection B is 0.1, so that is 0.1 over probability of A, which is 0.5. So that means that this is equal to 0.2. So let's start plugging in over here. So this right here is equal to 0.1. We don't know what the probability of B is. That's what we're trying to find out. And then we have 0.05. And then we just found out that it is probability of B given A is 0.2. So we could multiply both sides of our probability of B. And then our 0.1 is equal to 0.25 of probability of B, and then we do some basic multiplication, and we find out that probability of B is equal to 0.4, which is our answer, E.